In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove tax from your Shopify checkout. This process is pretty straightforward, and by the end of this guide, you'll be able to set a product to be exempt from sales tax seamlessly. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is access your Shopify admin. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're logged into your admin panel, look towards the left-hand side of your dashboard. You will see various options, and among them, there's one labeled Products. Go ahead and click on Products. This section contains a list of all the items you currently have available in your store. Now, take a moment to find the specific product you want to update. It's important to note that if your inventory is extensive, you might need to use the search bar or scroll down until you locate the item in question. Once you've found the product, click directly on its name. This action takes you to the product details page where you'll manage various aspects of your product's information. You'll find a section labeled Pricing on the product details page. Here is where you can adjust the price that customers see when they purchase your product. However, our main focus today is on the tax aspect. In this section, you'll see a checkbox labeled Charge Taxes on this product. What you want to do is uncheck this box. Unchecking it means that the product will no longer include sales tax when delivered to your customers. Essentially, this marks the product as tax exempt. It's always a good idea to double-check your changes to ensure you've selected the right options. After you've confirmed that the box is unchecked, proceed to save your changes. You'll see a Save button, typically located towards the top or bottom right of the page. Make sure to click it. It's a crucial step because without saving, all your changes will be lost, and you'll have to start the process over. And there you have it. You've successfully exempted a product from being taxed at checkout. Remember, this change only applies to the specific product you've updated. If you need to exempt more products, you'll need to repeat this process for each one. I highly recommend reviewing your store's tax settings regularly, especially if you're expanding your inventory or selling in multiple regions with different tax regulations. This quick and easy method is a handy tool for managing your store's pricing strategy and ensuring compliance with local tax laws. I hope you found this tutorial clear and helpful. As always, ensure to stay updated with Shopify's latest features and settings to keep your business running smoothly. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further clarifications, feel free to leave a comment. See you in the next video.